everyone, so today I have Purple Kiss's Geekyland album to unbox, so let's open it. Okay, so we pre-ordered them from Ktown4u, so I have 3 pre-order cards to show you, which is right here. Okay, so the first one I have, is going! And the backs of them are actually really nice for this one because they've actually drawn them all themselves, which I feel like Ktown don't do normally. The next one we have is Then this is the back. And then the last one we have is, love the sound of nature, is Yuki! Cute! Then this is the back. Okay, so the first one I have is the digipack. Oh wait, I'll actually take the thing off first. They're so small though, little digipacks. I like them. I like them over jewel cases, I don't know. Not very cool. Okay, so we have Ray. Then this is the back. Oi! And then there's kind of a little side. Okay, so also with these ones you got posters. So for this one you got a member specific poster, and for the other one you just got a group one, but I'll show them at the end. But how is this gonna be? Ooh, okay. So this is what the inside looks like.
You need to shh.
Okay. How is this? Okay. There, okay, there's the CD. Let me take that out. Ooh. Come here. Whoa. Look at that. Little thing. Ooh. Okay, so I'm guessing it's going to be a photo book of just the one member, and then okay, so let's have a look at the little photo book. Oh, these are quite cute. Okay, so this is the front of the book. Then on the inside we have a little picture. I also like digipack ones because there's less to flick through. Then just lyrics, and then the last one is a group picture. Nice. Okay, so you get 2 photo cards with this, and I wonder who will get. Oh, there's a little frog on it, like a little. Oh. I think there's like 2 sets. I feel like there was a lot of them, but let's see. I don't actually know anyone's signatures, so I love that. So the first one I have is, oh, cute! It's Yuki! Oh, she looks adorable. And then this is the back. See the little frog?
Okay. Oh god, it's a chocolate frog.
Yeah. And it's on the other one as well. I thought there would be like maybe a different one if it's the different version. Then we have, oh, cute! We have Jian! Then this is the back. Okay, so now I have the main version. The nice thing was they only had 1 album. Like 1 album version, which I like. Normally everyone has at least 2 nowadays, but this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it seems like really packed in the middle. Then this is the back. Then this is the side. Okay, so how's this? Oh, okay, so it's one of those where they've got all the stuff there. This is the CD. Nice, I don't actually have to take it out. Then, I don't think there's anything in the middle. Oh! What's in here? Because I feel like I could see that there were cards in here. Okay. I'm gonna open this. Or do I do a flick through? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna put this on my lap. Then try a flick through. So I thought everything was going to be in here, but alas, I was wrong. Gosh, there's more. Ooh. Okay, so that is what's in there. Let me close that back up. Oh, it's like a little accordion postcardy thing. Oh, okay. Oh. How do I do this? Okay, so this will go this way and then go the other way. Then look how cute. And then that was the front of it. And then you can obviously like rip these off. Nice, nice. Then we have, oh, a little, very tiny little poster. How cute! We have Jian. Nice, nice. I like these little posters because at least they can fit somewhere. Then we have, oh, I feel like I remember this. It's classed as like a witch note or something, if I remember correct. And that's the back. And then we open it up and let's see. Ooh, so they all just have, oh, this is cute. Oh, the little drawings are sweet. Sorry. Okay, then we have, oh, that's cute. Then the last page. And then a little group picture. This thing's quite cool. And then we have the actual inclusions that I just put on my lap. Okay, so I'm not gonna look because now I kind of know two signatures. Okay, so the first thing I have is, oh, the stickers. I didn't know there were gonna be stickers. Oh, that's cool. So I have Array. Then I'm going to do the two photo cards. So we have, oh, Array again. Cute. And then the next one, Dozy, please. Oh, cute, it's swans. This is a cute. Oh, the back of it's quite cool. If I could read it, it'd be cool. But that's a cute photo. Look at the back. She's written something. Oh, cute. And then the last thing we have is, oh, cute, it's going. I didn't think these were going to be stickers. I don't know why. I thought they were going to be like the, you know when people have those kind of clear ones? Yeah, like a photo strip. Okay, so that is what you get in that album. So we have the last album, which is the digipack of Swan. Okay, so this is what the front looks like. Then the back. And then, oh, the little side.
Do you think they make up a thing?
Yeah, well they look. Get in. They make something. For the life of me, I don't know what that is now. Oh, I can see it's just the sign up here.
Oh yeah.
But these two
Don't go together.
no. Yep, cool. So, oh, I almost got the wrong one. Okay, so let's open that up. Then it's the same little that. I'm guessing the CD will be the same. Yeah, it's the same. I don't need to show that. Then let's move on to the actual pack itself. Let me move these people away and put them on this one. Go. Okay, so this is the front of her digipack. Yeah, what? Oh, cute. Then the last page is the group picture. Okay, then, oh, that was actually that page as well. Then, who do we have? We have, oh, we have Gohan! Cute! Hey, the frog's back. Then that is the back. Then we have, oh, cute! We have Chaeyoung! Oh, we have, I was gonna say, none of her till now. Then the back. I wonder if any, oh, there's another one. So this was a black, the other one had this colour and then there's a blue. I wonder if they make the word geeky or if that's just the middle of it the whole time. Okay, so that is what you got in that little digipack. So I have the poster. I think this is the group one, so I'll do that first. Although it got a bit tattered around the this side, which is quite sad. I wonder if this was actually like one of two or something, because you never know. The next ones I have are the ones that came with the digipack, and you get a random person each. Which the first one I have is. We have Chaeyoung! And then the other one is, we have Gohan! Okay, so that was my unboxing of Purple Kiss's Geekyland. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments who your bias is, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Purple Kiss's Geekyland album. Too far away!